Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, first and foremost, I wanted to say Happy New Year, and I wanted to thank everybody for supporting me and watching my channel. The video I want to make today is from a bunch of people making a request about how to run the JB4 wire for the OBDII port. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I ran mine. I didn't go through the firewall because I wanted the ease of having to be able to remove it, just in case I have to go to the dealer, rather than go through the firewall, make a hole, and then it's just a hole, hurrah, and then you have to seal the hole so that you don't get rust and all that good stuff. So I just made it easy. It's pretty neat, pretty clean. Not as good as the firewall if you want that real seamless installation, but like I said, I want to be able to take this thing in and out with the ease of not having to go through a whole lot of trouble. So let's get into it, and I'm going to show you the routing process. Okay, so my first video when I did the installation, I put my JB4 right over here. It was out of the way, it was cool, but when you run the OBDII port wire, you can't put it here because it won't reach. You only have a certain amount of length. So I ended up putting the JB4 here. It's a little dusty because it's been in there for a while. I have my Bluetooth wire now, so I don't have to connect it with a cell phone or a laptop. I just go wirelessly Bluetooth to my cell phone. This is the plug for the actually OBDII. And what I did was I ran it under here, and you just go straight under here. This lifts up. You could take it off. I just snaked it through. The wire goes here, and if you can see this rubber piece here, you can actually pull it out a little bit to see it. Hold on. It's kind of hard to show you with my hand, but I'll just come from the door side so you can see. And you go through your fender here. So basically, you go under the plastic here, and you run it through the fender. There's a gap. Everything fits pretty easily. If you need to just pull that out a little bit, it's got a slight little give. Run it through here, and then you're gonna run it. So back up a little bit through your weather stripping here. The wire goes all the way under here, and you come around, and the port is right over here. And there's your wire. So I'll just show you in reverse. There's your OBDII port right here. Wire comes in, and then I snake it back up. It's the backwards version. Then you're gonna get a little stick out right here. The door will close fine. It won't interfere. It won't pinch the wire. You can see it touches the weather stripping ever so slightly right here, right up there. Not a big deal. Doesn't have any wind noise, nothing like that. Go through. You're gonna go under here. This piece just lifts up. You know, it's winter time, so it's a little cold now, so the rubber's a little stiffer than it would be when it was warmer, but you can still do it. You're gonna come from here. If you want to run it backwards, you could slide it through here. Actually, there you go. That's the piece. You can see the wire now. It's right in there. Minus my thumb. Let me see if I can show you. But the wire's right in there, and then you run it under here, along there. You connect it right here, and it's pretty neat and clean. You know, you don't really see anything in the engine bay, which is nice. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, any other things you'd like to see, like, comment, subscribe, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.